In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Zendesk tickets. Whether you're managing customer support or helping out in the admin department, being able to extract your ticket data efficiently can considerably streamline your workflows and ensure you have all the necessary data at your fingertips for reporting or analysis. Let's dive in. The first step is to navigate to your ticket view, a space where all your open, closed, and pending tickets are organized. To do this, log into your Zendesk account and head over to your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Tickets, or simply click on Views located on the sidebar. This area gives you a comprehensive overview of all your tickets categorized by their current status and any other filters you might have applied. Spend a moment to orient yourself if you're not already familiar with the layout, as this is key to accessing the right data. Now, once you've settled on the view where your tickets of interest are located, you'll need to take action to export the data. Within this view, look for an option labeled Actions. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu of various options. Among them, you should find Export as CSV. Selecting this option kicks off a process that will prepare your data for export. It's essential to ensure you've chosen the correct tickets or have filtered your view appropriately so that only the data you require is exported. This makes the subsequent analysis and reporting much more manageable and precise. Once you've confirmed your selection and clicked Export as CSV, Zendesk will queue up the export process. In a short while, usually just a few minutes depending on the volume of the tickets, you'll receive an email from Zendesk. This email will contain a zip file that encompasses all your exported ticket data. It's vital to keep an eye on your email inbox, including the spam or junk folders, just in case the email doesn't land where it's supposed to. Make sure you have a suitable program to unzip the file, which will then reveal a CSV of all your ticket information. This CSV can be opened with software like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any other application that supports this format. Exporting your Zendesk tickets in CSV format provides you with a versatile and manipulatable dataset that can be used for in-depth analysis, feeding into additional systems, or generating detailed reports. Having access to this data outside of the Zendesk interface can significantly enhance your ability to understand performance metrics, identify trends, and ultimately improve your customer service operations. This process reinforces the importance of not just managing tickets, but also understanding the data behind them. So there you have it, a simple yet effective method to export all your Zendesk ticket data, packaged neatly in a CSV file, ready for any task you have at hand. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting.